The following figure shows the position time graph of a body of mass 0.04 kg. Suggest a suitable physical context for this motion. What is the time between two consecutive impulses received by the body, and what is the magnitude of each pulse? For this graph, it is clear that the direction of motion is changing after every 2 seconds and has the same magnitude after every 2 seconds. Like you can see the crest of every graph. This can be understood from a situation that a ball collides with the wall elastically in seconds and returns to its original mean position after 2 seconds. Since the slope of graph is changing after every 2 seconds, so impulse is given after 2 seconds of duration, which is the momentum. Therefore, U would be the change in position by change in time. This gives the value of 10 to the power minus 2 meter per second. Therefore, we can say the final velocity would be minus 10 to the power minus 2 meter per second. Now we can calculate the magnitude of the impulse by differentiating initial momentum and final momentum. After putting the values, we get the magnitude of impulse as 0.08 into 10 to the power minus 2 kg meter per second.